Would you all be liking some cookies? All right, here we are. This one is 100% complete, good to go. So that's going to get posted today. This one is just missing a couple things here and there. There's supposed to be a rope that goes right here. A rope that goes somewhere over here. I forgot which one. But it needs to get on there. And then it's driving me crazy. It needs one of these. Sorry, my voice is cracking. I think I'm getting like a sore throat. And it needs to go right here, and it's driving me crazy that I just can't find one sitting around. So what are you gonna do? I went ahead and ordered these missing parts along with the stuff from the Bionicle from yesterday's video, and then a couple other parts I've been needing to finish some other stuff. So as soon as it all arrives, that'll be finished and will get posted. But I am super happy with these as they are. The sails are in really good shape. Flags are in really good shape. And they just look pretty epic. I also need to shout out Hoarder66. He's been a fan of the channel for a long time. He came through and bought some stuff on Bricklink yesterday, and just the timing of me going to the post office and making the video, I didn't record it, but thank you very much. I'm always super grateful of that. And then we have another viewer sale today that I gotta pull, so we'll just go ahead and do that real quick. This stuff right here is going out to Patrick. And there's my voice cracking again. Patrick says, keep up the great videos, learning a lot, and hope to start my own store here soon. Thank you, Patrick. Yeah, good luck with the store. As you can see, get organized early. Or you're gonna be just playing catch up all the time like I'm doing. I'm gonna get this out to you ASAP. So good news is, man, my voice, we have gotten rid of that box. I'm trying to get it down to just these so I can get them to fit inside of my office and get them out of the hallway. So we might open those up next, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. Essentially, I need it just to be a little less. That's all. I have that all set up to list. This was in there. You can see it's a little rough, like it's missing that thing. And then the board itself. Okay, come on. Just work with me here. It's warped. Warped to all get out. So, I don't know if it's worth replacing or just posting parts and figures as replacements. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, it looks like something might be missing. So let's open it up. Look how warped that is. Can't even push it down. Got a missing spear. Oh, no we don't. Yes, we do. Got one missing spear. But that is not the end of the world. Oh, no we don't. It's right here. Oh, that's a tough call. That is a tough call. What to do with this. Just doing some quick price comping on eBay. I think I'll actually make more money selling the figures individually than I would if I tried to sell the whole thing. And then, of course, there's the value of weapons and those parts. So that might be the way to go. I might start on that tonight and get this done. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. So the glue has warped it. This was all glued together at one point. Very interesting. So this stuff is glued together, or the glue is like starting to seep through to stuff that wasn't glued together. So that's just garbage in my mind. These don't come apart. But all the figures and all the weapons so far, $199. And that doesn't count these 4 horse masks that I also get to post, because they weren't glued. So that's awesome. And let's get these all baggied up and put away. Oh, and by the time this video comes out, the sale will be over. So thank you everyone who just showed up and bought something. That is just so cool. The channel is now like growing incredibly fast. We've already gained another 30 subscribers on top of this 2,000 subscriber celebration. The Boba Fett video posted on the day I'm recording this, and it is taking off. I'm curious to see what that does to subscriber count. And yeah, it's just been a very interesting couple weeks around here with a ton of sales, a really interesting buy, the YouTube channel growing. I'm gonna keep riding that wave until it no longer rides. And then I'm sure reality will set back in here very soon. But I will catch y'all very, very soon. Have a good weekend, and we'll dig up some more Lego.
Now would you all be liking some cookies? Cookies. Now would you all be liking some cookies? That was weird. Would you all be liking some cookies? Biscuits? What do they call them? Biscuits or cookies? Cookie! Biscuits, cookies. Now would you all be liking some cookies?